Hi guys, it's Arthur again. We're gonna do another SAT lesson. We've got another question here. It's a toughie, but it's a funny as well, if you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, we're dealing with what it seems like is exponential equations, or in this case, an exponential expression. Weird. So they give us an equation, 4x minus y is equal to 12, and they're asking for the value of this expression right here. If you're taking the SAT and you see a situation like this, there's usually two options. Either you have to plug in one of your own numbers, or you have to manipulate the expression to look precisely like the equation. These kinds of questions are called simultaneous equation questions. The wording is the termage is a little funky. I don't know why it's called that, but that's what they're called. So let's go ahead and solve this. We have 4x minus y is equal to 12, or they're asking for the value of this exponential expression. Okay, so whenever you see an exponential expression in the SAT, it's very important that you reduce the bases so they look the same. And by that I mean this. So you see how it's like 16 to the power of x and it's 2 to the power of y? Try this. Let's try making it so that 16, instead of writing it as 16, we're going to write it 2 to the power of 4, right? X, can't forget the variable there. And then we have 2 to the power of y. What we can do now by the rules of exponents is, since we have the same base and we're doing division, what we can do now is represent this as 2 to the power of 4x minus y. Hold on a second. 4x minus y? Look, we have that right here. And what is 4x minus y equal to? Well, it is equal to 12. I mean, that's what the equation tells us, right? Wait, so if 4x minus y is equal to 12, then that means that this 4x minus y is also equal to 12. 12. So we can rewrite this 4x minus y as just 12. So now we have 2 to the power of 12. Let's look at the answer choices. A is 8. That's not what we got. B is 2 to the power of 10. We didn't get that either. C is 2 to the power of 12. Ding, 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 ding. That's our answer. Let me circle it in. And we're done. This has been fun. Thank you so much for listening in. And I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.